Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Alipay tips and tricks. If you know that your Alipay QR code payment cannot receive money, consider to stay tuned to this video and pay proper attention to a simple solution you need to do right now in order to fix the problem of QR code payment or your Alipay can't receive payment in your Alipay wallet without any stress. Let me show you how. So this particular tutorial, I have a case study and I'm going to show you on how we actually fix the problem and the account starts receiving payment in Alipay. So as a result of this, I'm going to access from my Alipay right here and I'll go ahead and open up the chart right here, just like what you see right here. So someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp right here. Good morning, how are you doing? And this is the voice notes by this person right here. I'll just go ahead and play the voice notes. I'll just go ahead and click on here to play the voice notes.
How are you? Registered Alipay. That when I send the money, see that I have read my and I don't send the money before send the money to my account. That go to that. That price now money to my account and see how it is. That's like you are sending one you see how it is that verify. How be that done? I can't send money, send the money that you have read your limit. And I can't do it new account. I've never sent money before that I've read my account. My limit. I don't understand. I saw your video. YouTube. They don't know. Let me help me. If you can help me to do it.
So this is the first voice note by this person right here. And then they sent the receiving payment code right here. Because of security reason, I'm going to blur this part. And let's take a look, listen to the second voice note.
Like here, you can try to go to sell it more than one more and see how it is. And what is again? I forget my password. I forget it.
That's the second problem there. Let me scroll down right here. And this is my response right here. We have to contact Alipay support customer service because I eventually tried this QR code truly and I found out that the account cannot receive payment because of a little restriction. And the type of restriction this account has is only customer support that can solve the problem. And that is more reason why I recommended that they contact Alipay customer support. And let's listen to the next voice note.
I don't know how to. That is my problem. How can you put that there?
Just like so, that's another question. And then I provide one of my video right here that explains step by step on how they can contact Alipay customer support to fix this type of problem of can't receive payment. I'm going to go ahead and simply click on the video link. So in case you have this particular same issue, you just need to search for the title of the video on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to click on the video link right here. So you can see the title of the video right here, how to contact Alipay support live chat. This is the title of the video that actually helped this person to fix the problem. So let's go back to my WhatsApp right here. So here we go. So in few days later, this person contacts me back. Good morning, how are you doing? And let's listen to the voice note, which is the last voice note right here.
How are you? Now I've finished my Alipay. Now I can receive money. Thank you for teaching me. Bless you.
Just like so, it's that simple. If you are experiencing the similar issue with Alipay QR code payment, consider to follow the same step, and I believe so much this particular solution will help you to fix your Alipay related problem in receiving payment. However, if this cannot help you out, you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp. Let me see how I can help you out to fix your Alipay related issue. And lastly but not the least, if you still have questions for me as far as Alipay related is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.